City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. There in the bars and through the smokescreen of the crowded restaurant, it's love. Yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else. A rush, a glance, a touch, a dance, a look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies, to open the world and send them reeling. A voice that says I'll be there and you'll be alright. I don't care if I know just where I will go, 'cause all that I need is this crazy feeling. A rat-tat-tat on my heart. Think I want it to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, you never shined so brightly.